Hello and welcome. Today is another Thai milk tea episode. I have a lot of video tutorials on Thai milk tea, so why not add another one? Anyway, today I have Christiana with me and she's going to help me prepare the tea. We're going to show you how to make Thai milk tea two different ways. One is using the traditional pour over method and the other is using the espresso machine. I went to a shop in one of the malls here and then I asked them for Thai milk tea and I saw that they have two prices. One was like 25 baht, let's say about $1 and the other was about $2.
Wow.
Yeah, and I asked them what's the difference and they said one is using the pour over method.
Which one?
Which is the cheaper one.
Oh.
And then if it's using the espresso machine, it is more expensive. So the price is different, the amount of tea that you use is probably the same, but how different is the taste? So that's what we are going to find out today. Is it worth eliminating or throwing away your tea stock strainers and invest in an espresso machine just so that you can charge double for your Thai milk tea? Isn't that exciting? Interesting?
I love Thai milk tea, so let's get to it.
Let's get to it. We are going to finish the drink after, for sure. The ingredients, of course, is the Thai tea. This is Thai tea, and we are going to use exactly the same amount of tea. Here I have 2 tablespoons of tea. One Christiana will be using, and the other I'll be using. And then I have condensed milk and evaporated milk here. We are going to use these as this is a standard recipe for Thai milk tea. And also, in my books, you will note that I also put sugar syrup, but for today, we are going to skip the sugar syrup and we're going to use only condensed milk and evaporated milk. You can also mix and match, so be sure to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea, and you'll find quite a number of recipes there. And today, we're going to make them in large cups, 22 ounces. Christiana will do the honor of making Thai milk tea using the pour over method.
This will be my first time.
First time, but have you seen my video tutorial on how to make a...
Yes, I have.
Yes, just about 5 minutes ago. Okay, so here's your tea, and I'm going to give you 200 ml of hot water. I'm just going to use the espresso machine to get my hot water. Okay.
So first I'm going to have to put a little bit to let it bloom, right?
Yep. You've done your homework.
5 minutes ago, last minute. Okay. And then high to low, right?
Yep.
Oh my god, I don't want the hot water on my hands. Okay, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, a bit too fast.
Yep. And make sure your tea stock is not touching your...
You can tell I'm not a
mixer.
pro here. Oh, okay, and then I put it in here now, right?
Yep, you've got to do it 4 to 5 times. Let's do 5 times to make it really strong.
So that was one.
I could smell it. Smells so good. And while she's doing that,
It's supposed to be high to low, guys. Do as I say, not as I do.
why is it high to low?
For the flavor.
Aroma.
For the aroma.
And some bubbles.
Just a different sense. And some bubbles?
Yep, it gives you the bubbles, but make sure you don't.
But
make
why
a
do I
mess
want
with it.
bubbles?
You actually, and the way you do it is you start low, then you pour it high,
I
so
see,
that
okay.
you aim it in the tea stock, right? How many have
That
you got
was
now?
3.
3.
In the shops, I see them do it so high, though.
Yeah.
They're like this, but they've done it loads of times. So I will give myself some slack. Oh, hi, Silu. That was 4. You can really see the tea getting darker. Oh. Okay. Okay, that was 5. So now, oh, it's already 150.
Okay, now she's done with that. What I have done here was to put the same amount of tea in the portafilter, in the filter basket of the espresso machine. I've let the tea bloom. Now I'm going to pour the rest of my tea. And I'd like to bring it to 150, the same as Christiana.
So with the machine, you just do it once, right?
Yeah, I mean, so now it is not quite there yet. So I'm going to pull a little bit more. I'm going to use the free flow. See how easy that is, okay? And you can see that
Definitely
this
a lot
one
quicker.
smells very good as well. Oops, I have to take this out. This is a little bit too high. Oh no. Okay. It's because I've run out of my cups. Christiana used both of them. Okay, so this is 150.
gonna be so
each
sweet.
pump for this condensed milk is
15.
15 ml. So we need 2 pumps or 30 ml. Full pumps.
Oh. Oh, okay.
2. Okay, and now the evaporated milk.
How much is that? I forgot.
That's you also need 30. 30. This is just a less sweet version. Okay.
Is it? Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
That's
3.
10 pumps.
Just
each,
10.
10
10
ml.
mil.
Okay. Now I'll do the same with mine. I'm going to put 3 pumps here. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 pumps of the condensed milk. If you're not making my milk syrup, then you have to do this in 2 steps. Okay, so that's 30 ml of condensed milk and 30 ml of evaporated milk. Now we'll just stir.
I don't know. Maybe this one's a little bit lighter.
Right.
Just a little bit lighter.
Same amount of tea, right?
Same amount of everything.
Let me just borrow this cup because I'd like to use the one with the spout. Okay, let's just
So to pour.
so that it doesn't go all over the place. The one with the spout is better.
I still managed to make a mess.
Now let's pour this. I did make a mess as well. Okay, let's just okay.
Just pour it in.
Yep.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is no frills. Okay, no frills, no milk foam on top. Just plain and simple. Wow.
Okay.
Now the lid.
Do we need a lid?
Yep, just put a lid on. Right.
All right. To look at them, you wouldn't know the difference.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I've tried both of them. Tell us your verdict, Christiana.
So I'm really upset that I put so much effort into this one, and the end result is that this one is actually better. The taste is a little bit fuller. You can taste and smell the difference more, whereas this one, although it's a perfectly fine Thai tea, if I had the choice between the two of them, I would pay that little bit extra to have this because I don't have it every single day. So yeah, as a little treat, I'd pay that extra $1
And
for the
also,
machine.
well, I mean, in terms of the preparation time as well.
Yeah, I mean, it was fun, but then I imagine if I have to do this all day, it's gonna be really
Yeah.
tiring. Whereas this, you can just leave it on the machine and then you can do other things at the same time and then
Right.
come back to it, especially if you're a really busy, coffee shop.
Chatramu, which is the most popular brand in Thailand, now opened tea shops
Yeah.
all over the world, and I think
All over the world?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh.
Thailand they used to just sell the tea. They don't have a retail outlet for
Yeah.
their milk tea, and they're using the pour over, still pour over, and the queue. So many people, right? Thai milk tea has become so popular, if not even more popular than the regular bubble tea from Taiwan now. I really think so. I mean, in the Philippines, they've opened a few branches as well, just to pour over. So don't be misled by what you see or what you hear that. If it's using the espresso machine, it is a lot better. It could be slightly better, and maybe I would say marginally better. It's just easier to prepare, but you can also make a good Thai milk tea using the pour over or even using the method of boiling.
I think when you're outside of Thailand, it probably is more of an experience if you see them do the pour over, especially if you see them do it properly. Like I say, they actually,
chak, yeah.
they're like here, and then they're like here, and some of them are like this. I have no idea how they do it, but
In reality, those are not from Thai, actually.
they're not Thai.
They're not Thai. They're from the
I don't think-
southern part of
Thai
Thailand.
people now just drink Thai milk tea. We don't make Thai milk tea anymore.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Right. If you would like to offer Thai milk tea in your shop, you can use the pour over, and you can also use an espresso machine if you have a coffee shop. Just add this to your menu. No sweat, very easy to make, and
Yeah.
also now becoming a favorite among many customers all over the world. Well, that's all we would like to share with you today. If you have any questions, do let us know, comment below. Also, don't forget to share this video to those that like Thai milk tea so that they can also compare the difference between making the Thai milk tea the traditional way and also the more modern way. Have you got any last words to say?
No,
Right.
just try it and see how you like it.
Right. And as always, I do have a different recipe for Thai milk tea each time, so you just have to keep trying many different versions of my recipes and decide for yourself which one you like best.
Yeah, it's such an individual drink. And like even if you have Thai milk tea here, it doesn't taste the same everywhere.
Right.
Depends on the brand, depends on the leaves and things like that. So yeah.
But once you've decided on the method and the recipe, stick to that and do not keep changing. That's all we would like to share with you today. We'll see you again for more video tutorials. And once again, thank you, Cristiano, for helping me host this episode today. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.